TCI, we don't just deliver machines, we deliver complete cleaning solutions. Introducing the TCI Ride On Road Sweeper RS150, a powerful and modern solution for large-scale road cleaning. The RS150 is delivered in strong wooden box packaging, ensuring safe transportation and damage-free delivery to your site. Installation is quick and simple. First, the lithium battery is installed and connected. Then the protective shed is mounted to provide comfort and safety for the operator. Once assembled, the TCI RS150 is ready for operation. Built for performance, reliability, and operator comfort. Side brushes collect dust from edges and corners, while the main brush sweeps debris directly into the waste. The RS150 uses a water mist spray system to prevent dust from flying. A HEPA filtration system captures fine particles, ensuring clean air exhaust. The machine is designed with an ergonomic operator seat and protective shed. Safety features include headlights for low-light operation, horn alerts, and easy pedal controls. A brush height adjustment pedal allows smooth operation even on uneven or rough surfaces. The high-performance lithium battery provides longer runtime, fast charging, and zero emissions. In just one pass, the RS150 delivers efficient, dust-free, and professional cleaning results. TCI Ride On Road Sweeper RS150, the smart solution for modern road cleaning. Contact TCI today to learn more.